Blogging is an awesome way for people and businesses to share their expertise and experiences with a huge audience. However, while many people start blogs for fun, monetizing your blog can be a cool way to turn your hard work into cash. In this video, we're going to look at 3 ways you can make money from your blog. Advertising and sponsored content. One of the most popular and accessible ways to monetize your blog is through advertising and sponsored content. Advertising can take many forms, from banner ads to pop-ups, to sponsored posts that are seamlessly integrated into your content. By partnering with ad networks like Google AdSense and Monetize, you can earn money based on the number of clicks or impressions your ads receive. Sponsored content is another lucrative option that involves collaborating with brands and businesses to create content that promotes their products or services in exchange for payment. While advertising and sponsored content can be a great way to monetize your blog, it's important to strike a balance between generating revenue and maintaining the integrity of your blog. It's essential to ensure that any advertising or sponsored content is relevant to your audience and fits with your blog's overall theme and voice. Additionally, make sure that sponsored posts are labeled as such so that your readers know that you're being paid to promote a product or service. This will help maintain trust and credibility with your audience. To maximize your revenue potential, it's also important to be strategic about where and how you place your ads. For example, placing ads in highly visible locations, such as at the top of your page or in the sidebar, can increase the likelihood of clicks and impressions. Experimenting with different ad formats and placements can help you determine what works best for your audience and content. Using advertising and sponsored content is a profitable way to make money from your blog. It's crucial to stay true and connected to your readers to keep offering them useful information while earning at the same time. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money through blogging. It involves promoting products or services to your audience and earning a commission for every sale that results from your promotion. It's a win-win situation because you get to earn money while your audience discovers products they might be interested in. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to join an affiliate program. There are many affiliate programs available, and you can find them by searching online for products and services that align with your blog's niche. Once you join a program, you'll receive unique links or discount codes that you can share with your audience. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in. Your audience trusts you, and they rely on your recommendations, so it's essential to maintain their trust by only promoting products that align with your values and standards. Another important aspect of affiliate marketing is transparency. It's important to let your audience know when you're promoting a product or service as an affiliate. You can do this by including a disclaimer at the beginning or end of your post, or by adding a note to your social media post. Being transparent about your affiliate relationships helps build trust with your audience and shows that you value their trust and loyalty. There are many benefits to affiliate marketing. For one, it allows you to earn money from products that you already use and love. It's also a passive income stream, meaning that once you shared your affiliate link, you can earn commissions without having to actively promote the product. Affiliate marketing is a widely used and efficient way to make money from your blog. It's great for both you and your audience, as you get paid while providing valuable products. The key is to be honest with your readers about any affiliate partnerships, and only endorse products that you truly support. If you're dedicated and work hard, affiliate marketing can become a reliable source of income for your blog. Creating and selling products. Have you ever thought about creating and selling products related to your blog? If you have a loyal audience, this can be a lucrative way to monetize your blog. The possibilities are endless and can range from ebooks and courses to physical products like t-shirts or merchandise. The key to success when creating products for your audience is to offer something that they find valuable and that fits with your blog's niche. For example, if you run a blog about travel, you could create a course that teaches people how to travel on a budget. Or if you run a blog about fitness, you could create an ebook that provides workout plans and healthy meal ideas. Once you have your product ready, it's time to market it to your audience. A solid marketing strategy is essential, and you'll need to use various channels to promote your product effectively. One effective way to promote your products is through your blog itself. You can write blog posts that highlight the benefits of your product and include a call to action that encourages your readers to make a purchase. Another powerful way to promote your products is through social media channels. Platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook can help you reach a wider audience and generate sales. By creating engaging social media posts that showcase your product, you can pique your audience's interest and encourage them to make a purchase. Email marketing campaigns are also a useful tool for promoting your products. By sending targeted emails to your subscribers, you can provide more in-depth information about your product and offer exclusive discounts to encourage sales. Making and selling products that are relevant to your blog can be a good way to make money. The key is to create something that your audience will find useful, and then promote it effectively through different methods. If you do it right, your blog can become a profitable business. That's a wrap on our guide to monetizing your blog. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to turn your passion into profit. Remember, whether you choose to make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or by creating and selling your own products, the key is to always prioritize your audience and provide value with every piece of content you create. It's not going to be easy, but with persistence and hard work, you can turn your blog into a successful and profitable business. Keep creating, keep hustling, and we'll see you on the other side of success.